In this video, I will show you how to export Shopify monthly bills in CSV format. First, we'll log into your Shopify admin account and then select Settings. And then click on Billing. Right here, look for the Past Bills section. And what you can do is manually select the bills that you wish to export. As an example, let's select the 3 of them. And then click on Export Bills. And now the CSV file will be sent to your email address. Alternatively, if you wish to export bills by certain date, click on the 3 dots and then select Export Bills. Now look for the second option, Bills by Date. And as an example, I will export bills from June 1st to August 31st. For that, let me select the range, June 1st. Now let's select August 31st. And once again, click on Export Bills. The file will be sent to the email. Let me log into my email account. And here's the latest export. Let's open it. Now let's download the CSV file. Now let's import the file into Google Spreadsheets. Let's go to File, Import, Upload, and let's upload the file. And here's the billing data I've just exported. It contains some of the essential columns such as bill number, charge category, amount, currency, billing cycle, and more. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.